Hey guys, backyard scrapping here, and I have a little mail call to do, and I know what this is. I've been waiting on this. This was my trade that I did with Nautical Silver. We did a bar trade, and I cannot wait to see this. Told him don't do anything special, or just a bar, because I just want the bar, but his packaging is always special. And I just put my stuff in a bag and wrap it up in paper, but I'm excited to see this. All right. Okay, put that over there. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait. Hang on, I'll be right back. I gotta get my headset. Alrighty guys, here we go. His packaging is just fantastic. That is just cool as, look at that. I mean, isn't that is just beautiful. I don't even want to open that, but I do want to open it. I was lying. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. Backyard scrapping. Thanks for wanting to do a trade, my bro. I look forward to adding a pour from you to my stack. Stay blessed, my man. Thanks. Nautical Silver, 3/3/2019. And I know probably this is a magnet, which I hope it is, for my safe. Yes, I got a nautical magnet. There's that. Man, he just puts so much effort into this stuff. It's beautiful what he does. And his 3D casting with the sand is fantastic. Nautical Silver Certificate of Authenticity. Can't even talk, I'm so excited. Nautical Poured Bar number 13, 2.68 ounces Troy. Alrighty guys. Ooh. Oh, he keeps you in suspense, don't he? Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful bar. 999 fine silver with the flagship there. 2.68 ounces Troy. Number 13. Awesome. So there is another 13 to go along with my other 13s. Absolutely fantastic. I really thank you, bro. That is wonderful. 013. My 13 collection is coming along. It's coming along, guys. Nautical, thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. Beautiful. Everything's just beautiful. It's just a beautiful bar. I hope you're pleased with your skull when it gets there. Just gorgeous. And another beautiful 13. Thanks, man. I gotta let y'all go, or I'll just sit here and go on and on. Have a good one, everybody.